Hi, this is Dennis with Second Chance Tackle, back to answer the question, how did we do? So we just posted a video that said that there were 3 reels that were frozen. Very difficult to turn. I thought I could make 2 out of 3 work, and like the Meatloaf song, 2 out of 3 ain't bad, and that's exactly what happened. So we were able to repair the 2 reels that had very poor maintenance. We were able to clean them up, reinstall them, free up the pinion sleeve, or the gear sleeve, and get these back into operation. And I'm sure the captain will be happy with these. You'll remember these, one was salty and the other one had a lot of rust on it. But both of those, with cleaning and attention and lubrication, are ready to go fishing again. This one, the one that had all the lube on it, was something that we couldn't salvage. That's because of the bridge, so I thought I would point that out. This seems to be a common failure with the newer Penn reels made in China. This gear sleeve freezes to the bridge post, and that's probably because that bridge post isn't chromed or stainless. It's just some kind of composite material. And what happens is the post will turn onto the bridge. I don't know if we can see it. We really can't see it here. But this post is turning. And once that breaks with the bridge, you can't remove the sleeve, and it makes it impossible to reel in. So this one's toast. To replace this, the parts are about $20. A new Jigmaster probably is in the $45, $50 range. It just doesn't make sense to go get parts, particularly when the rest of the reel has suffered the abuses that it has. So a lot of questions are always asked about when does it make sense to repair versus replace. In this case, it makes sense to replace. And as I mentioned, I have this understanding with the captain that on reels like that, we'll save the pieces and parts. We still have a good jack and yoke. We have the main gears and the drags. We have the spool gear, the handle, and other things, and those are parts that break on other reels. So we'll just put those into our parts cabinet, and when another one of his reels comes in that is missing a piece or a part, we'll take it from there and we'll turn it around and we'll make a good reel out of it. So for those of you that couldn't sleep because you didn't know how I was going to make out with the 3 of those, here's your chance to go catch up on the lost sleep. 2 of the 3 worked. That's better than 0. That's better than trashing them. So with a little knowledge, these will be returned to the fleet to go fishing. With the recommendation, of course, that you hose these things down after your trips, that you give them a spray, maybe a WD-40 to dry off that salt water when you're done, and to lubricate these on a regular basis, which is so easy given that the Jigmasters have that single screw take apart. It takes no time to pull that off, give it a light coat of oil on the insides, real grease on the bearings, and it'll be good to go for the next trip. So with that, I hope that you've learned something from these 2 videos. And if you like this video, please indicate that on YouTube. If you want to see more, please subscribe. This is Dennis with Second Chance Tackle. Thank you for watching.